In the previous video, we learned how to insert data into a MySQL database using JDBC with Java. I will rerun the code from the previous video. The data was successfully inserted. In this video, we will learn how to update or delete data in a MySQL database. We created a method for insert. In fact, we need similar methods for delete and update, but I will use a single method for insert, update, and delete operations. I am changing the name of the method. I will call the method. First, I will send an update statement to the method. I will set the name data of England in the country table to turtle. There is no more England data in the name column. Let's search as turtle. The update operation has been completed successfully. Now I will run the delete query. I will delete the name data of turtle. The delete operation has been completed successfully. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.